Have a good day, everyone. I am Famera Didi Malazarte from BSEd Math. For today's video, we're going to talk about calculator techniques. This tutorial video is ideal for those students who are about to take board exam. This will be useful for you and the key in passing the math category in your board exam. So now, let's get started. Our first topic is about algebra, evaluating a function and simplifying expressions. We have problem number 1. Given f of x equals 2x squared minus 5x plus 3, evaluate f of 2 and f of 4. So we have the choices here. So we can do this manually. Of course, we simply substitute the value of 2 and 4 in our function and evaluate the function. We will be getting some values. So let's input the function. First, we need to on our calculator. Then input the function, which is press the 2, then alpha, close parenthesis to get the x, then x squared to get the square, then minus 5, then alpha, then close parenthesis to get the x, then plus 3. Then next is to press the calc to substitute the x value, which is the 2, the first given, which is f of 2. Then press the 2. Then all you need to do is to click the equals to get the answer. So click, then the answer is 1. That is your first value of x to get the evaluate of f of 2. Then next is the function of 4. So you need to evaluate it. Same process. Click the calc, then press the 4 to your value of x, then equals to get the answer. So your answer is 15. That is how to get evaluating a function. So your answer is letter C, which is 1 and 15. So that's the answer. Let's go now to the number 2. What is the remainder when 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 2x plus 25 is divided by x plus 3? We have here a choices. So we need to recall the remainder theorem here, such that the remainder theorem states that if a polynomial f of x is divided by x minus k or x plus k, any value of k here, the remainder is f of k. So what we are going to do to solve this is that x plus 3, we simply equate it to 0. So imagine equating that to 0. X plus 3 equals 0, then get the value of x, so that becomes x equals negative 3. So next, we will be getting the f of negative 3 because that is the value of x. So all you need to do is to input all the function given here. So press the 2, then getting the x is alpha, then close parenthesis to get the x. Then to get the cube is we have a x that have a box in the upper, then click the 3 to get the cube, then click the right arrow, then plus, then click the plus, then 3, then alpha close parenthesis to get the x, then click the x squared to get the squared, as you can see that, the squared, then minus 2, then get the x, the alpha, then close parenthesis, then plus 25. To get the answer is all you need to do is to click the calc. So click the calc, then we have x, then question mark, then all you need to do is to click the -3, which is our value of x, then click the equal. So we have the answer 4. Our next topic is all about the algebra, solving an equation for x using shift solve properly. So we have the problem number 1. Find the value of x and 3 to the power of 5 times 9 to the power of 6 equals 3 to the power of 2x. So we have here choices. So the very first thing that we're going to do here is using shift solve. We can write the equation in our calculator. So we need to input all the equation here. Then you need to input press the close parenthesis, then 3, then the power, which is the x, we have the box, then click the 5, which is your exponent, then click the right arrow, then close parenthesis, then another close parenthesis, then click the 9, then the exponent, then click the 6, then close parenthesis. Then to getting the equal sign, we will be first pressing the alpha and then the calc. So as you can see in this calc, we have read equal sign here, which indicates that if we press alpha and then we press calc, equal sign would appear. So as you can see, we have to get a equal sign. So all you need to do is to press the 3, then next is exponent, which is 2x, then alpha, close parenthesis, to get the x. So then all you need to do to get the answer is to press the shift, then calc, then solve for x. So all you need to do is to click the equals, then to get your answer, which is the x equals 8.5. So that's your final answer. So we have the problem number 2. The solution of 7x minus 5 times x plus 1 equals 2 times 3 minus x times -5 is, so we have here choices. So the very first thing that we're going to do here is using shift value. We can write the equation in our calculator. So let's try this. So you need to input all the equation, which is 7, then alpha, close parenthesis, to get the x, then minus, then 5, then close parenthesis, click the alpha, then close parenthesis to get the x. So close parenthesis to get x, then erase that way is because it is wrong. So next is plus, then 1, then close parenthesis, then all you need to do to get the equals is to click the alpha, then calc. So as you can see is you get your equal sign, then 2, then close parenthesis, then click the 3, then minus, then alpha, close parenthesis to get your x, then close parenthesis, then minus, then 5. So all you need to do is to get your answer to solve your x. So all you need to do is to click the shift, then calc, then solve for x. So to get your answer, so all you need to do is to click the equals to get your answer. So click the equals, then your answer is x equals 1.5, or in the fraction is it is a 3/2. Your answer is letter C, 3/2.
Now it's your turn to practice. What's you're waiting for? Alright, nah.
Thank you for watching. Have a good day, everyone.